Do you, or anyone among your friends, family or colleague, feels difficulty in using a computer or a mobile phone? Senior officers often wonder about these new technologies and think they are too old. Experiencing the life-enhancing benefits of technology is an easy, convenient step away, and can take place in confidential settings. You no longer have to feel ashamed to ask colleagues or subordinates, even your children, how to use a computer or a cell phone. Rehan Training has a convenient solution to all your problems. Imagine a home tuition at the time of convenience to get started on computer and mobile phone. One of our professional trainer will help you also to learn contemporary technology, like social media and email, to make your life easier. Keep in touch with relatives and friends. Interested to save time and still grow your business from your home? Our trainer will help you and your children these skills, hence earning an additional income by using these technologies. This is all coming to your doorsteps courtesy of Rehan Training, and Rehan Training offers even more benefit to you by providing free online learning. For these extraordinary convenience and saving, just visit our website and start learning immediately from easily understandable videos. Your knowledge is our business.